Fresh Brownies. Tierra Mia Cafe here in near Echo Park, and have the lovely ladies gonna do a really awesome coffee right here. Don't get nervous, don't get nervous. I just want to say thank you. She did an awesome job. If you guys are ever out here, say what's up to Atsuri. And yeah, let's enjoy this coffee. After you get coffee at Tierra Mia, you come right next door, Lemon Frog Shop, which is pretty cool. A lot of vintage from the 60s all the way through the 90s. For all you female girls out there, you should come check this place out. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna show you guys around what it looks like.